Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nordini Emily binti Muhade. My metric number is AA200094. I would like to present our introduction about this project, which is Haiku operating system. What is Haiku? Haiku is an open source operating system currently in development. The specific target of Haiku operating system is the personal computer. It is inspired by B operating system as well as the end user experience. It is designed to be fast, simple to use, easy to learn, and yet very powerful system for all computer users of all levels. The Haiku operating system written in C++ programming language, and it is provide an object-oriented application programming interface. The development of Haiku operating system began in 2001, and this operating system became self-hosting in 2008. The first version of Haiku operating system was launched in 2009. Currently, the latest version of Haiku operating system is R1 or Beta 2, which was launched in 9 June 2020. Besides that, the Haiku operating system used the B5 system for optimized speed and performance. The feature of this fast system include a 64-bit address space, journaling, emails, and many more. Furthermore, the Haiku operating system comes with a package manager. It makes user easy to install the application and update them regularly. The user can get the Haiku operating system directly by downloading on the internet, either 38 bits version or 64 bits version.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nignor Adriana Iwani binti Muhammad Huzaidi. My metric number is AA201317. So now I would like to present to you our objective by making this project. The first objective is exploring the haiku. Haiku is a very old school, very retro and really attractive. Once you open the haiku, you will see the blue gradient color background on the desktop. Second is exploring the menu bar of haiku on desktop. There are some icons on the desktop. There's a lot of application and small application like system administration sort of things. The last one is to know the availability software in Haiku operating system.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Faiz Muhaimin Belokman. My metric number is AA201269. Today I want to present about finding on the Haiku. The point is layout. The layout is easy for the user to recognize the apps since the layout is not cluttered up. Haiku comes with a pretty vintage modern layout presentation. The design elements are clear and minimal. Next is application. Haiku operating system comes with a set of mostly small but essential application. Next, user can easily find the application by click the right cursor at the Haiku desktop. The last is the Haiku apps such as Mail, Installer, Haiku Dashboard, and many more. Haiku shortcut. Haiku shortcut have 5 points. Haiku provide many shortcuts such as point number 1 is general shortcut. Next, shortcut tracker navigation. Next, text editing shortcut. Next, shortcut in terminal. And the last is other key combination. Feature in Haiku. Find. Find search the document that user want to open. For example, user types a file in the and then user will get view filters and recent queries all files and folders by name on all these and then query name. Next is squeezer. Point number 1 is the tweezer is a task switcher to jump between running application and their windows. Next, to switch between the current and the last application or window, user may hold Control and tap. The last point is tapping tab very quickly will switch between all visible application on the current workspace. Finding on the Haiku. Trees and computer usage. The trees and computer usage, first level is kill the whole team. Second level is show particulars trees of a team. The last level is menu allows to change a tree priority. Memory usage. Memory usage refer to as memory fragmentation or allocator fragmentation. All trees are kernel trees. Lack of tree allocation poles with object allocation poles. Seriously and noticeably degraded. They have 3 points in window management. The first point is move and resize. Press and hold Control plus alternative. Then the blue line appear and right click on the window. Now you can move it around your window or any application freely. The last point in window management is tile. Tile is when a window is glued with another window vertically or horizontally.
Hi, my name is Intan Fatihah binti Sahari and my matrix card number is AA200735, and now I'll be talking about the advantages of Haiku operating system. Haiku is a user-friendly operating system. Haiku makes everything easy for the users, so Haiku comes out with this guidance for users to use this operating system, like quick tour and user guide in the Haiku. So it will tells you how to use it and the functions of all the applications and features in there. So this guidance is very helpful, especially for those beginners and new users. For the second point, Haiku is very easy and fast to install as well as a setup because Haiku doesn't charge any download fees, so that means Haiku is free to install. There are very few steps to set up the Haiku, so it doesn't take too much time to install and use it afterwards. For the third point, Haiku is actually a unique operating system. Why? What are the things that make this Haiku operating system unique? So Haiku comes with a modern vintage looks or layout, which is very interesting. Despite the old looks or vintage looks, but yet this operating system is powerful enough. Lastly, Haiku comes with a great efficiency with multiprocessor. Having a multiprocessor does make task execution efficient. Haiku can multitasking without occurring any laggings or buggings. The speediness of this Haiku OS is actually spectacular. I have experimenting with Haiku operating system by myself by opening and running 5 steps of YouTube simultaneously. And it just works amazingly without getting slower or lag.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifah Nurashika binti Said Jamal. My metric number is AA201373. So, lastly, I will talk about conclusion overall of the Haiku operating system. In conclusion, Haiku are one of the operating system that a unique alternative OS Linux, which is Haiku is an open source operating system that is currently under development specifically targeting peers because it is inspired by operating system. Next, Haiku aims to be quick, efficient, simple to use, easy to learn even for beginners, and extremely powerful operating system for all computer users and what level it is. So, Haiku Progressive Operating System introduces concepts and technologies that we believe represent ideal means, simple and efficient for personal computing. Besides, Haiku is the realization of concepts and technologies in the form of operating systems that are open source and free. Moreover, Haiku is developed by a growing community of volunteer developers from around the world. In addition, Haiku can be installed and tested in the virtual machine for safety and isolated environment purposes that need to be done in a safe and isolated environment. Furthermore, there are some variants of Haiku OS Link website that users can download and discover the whole Haiku operating system by themselves, which is Haiku can be the best operating system that you can use in your daily life. So the last but not least, there are many interesting components in Haiku OS that we can discover, and we believe that Haiku will continue to evolve to the better and better operating system in the future. Thank you.